Totally we have 8 elements. In that, first one is we can see about the shares. So the definition of shares is a part of paid up capital. Share means a part of paid up capital is known as share. Those who are having the shares of a particular company, that persons are termed as shareholders. Share means a part of paid up capital. Those who are having the shares of particular company, they are known as shareholders. This share is a movable property. So movable property means I can bought shares from the company through primary market. So I can sell this share to the another person. So it is a movable property, and that shareholders having all the liberty and rights to transfer his shares to the another person. A part of paid up capital is known as shares. Share is a movable property. Shareholders is having all the rights and liberty to transfer his shares to the another person. So the shares we have two types. One is equity shares and another one is preference shares. We have two types of shares. One is equity shares and another one is preference shares. So this equity shares is also known as ordinary shares. This equity shares is also known as ordinary shares. So here in this slide we can discuss about the some features of the equity shares. So this equity shareholders are the real owners of the company. Equity shareholders are real owners of the company. Why we are calling that equity shareholders are real owners means that equity shareholders only having the voting rights. Equity shareholders only having the voting rights in companies. Hence, the equity shareholders are the real owners of the company. That means the amount of shares held by them is the portion of their ownership in the company. They are having the ownership in the company. They are not simply a shareholders. They are not simply a person, right? Equity shareholders are real owners, and that real owners having the portion of ownership in the company. Why that equity shareholders we are calling it as a real owner means that equity shareholders having voting rights. So in equity shareholders they are enjoying two privileges. One we can already discuss, that means having voting rights at general body meetings. They are having voting rights. So with the help of the voting rights, what they can do is they can appoint companies directors and companies auditors through voting. Voting rights they can appoint. They means that equity shareholders can appoint companies directors and they can able to appoint companies auditors in the same way that equity shareholders having the rights to remove the company directors as well as the auditors of a company. Equity shareholders having rights to appoint or remove the directors or auditors of a company. And the second privilege is that equity shareholders get profits from the company. Privilege 2, that equity shareholders having right to get profits of the company. So profits means nothing but dividend, right? So how they can get the dividend is based upon the performance of the company. See, listen, equity shareholders get the profits of the company. Profit means, right? So the equity shareholders purchase the shares from the company. That means the equity shareholders invest their amount in a company, in a share, right? So with the help of that shareholders investment only, the companies are running. So with the help of that investment only, the companies can able to make profit. I will repeat. Equity shareholders invest their amount in company, right? Equity shareholders invest the amount in a capital of the company. So with the help of the equity shareholders amount, the company is running the business, then they are earning the profit. So with that profit, the company have to give some portion of shares to the equity shareholders. That portion of profit is known as the dividend, right? So that sharing of profit or giving of dividend to the equity shareholders is purely based upon the performance of the company, right? If the company is performing good, they can earn more profit, and dividend is more, they can able to give to the equity shareholders. If company is performance bad, they cannot able to make profit and they cannot able to give dividend to the equity shareholders, right? That is what I have given in the privilege 2. Equity shareholders right to get profits of the company. More the profit, more the dividend. Less the profit, less the dividend. So henceforth the amount of dividend given by the company is not fixed. So every month they can the equity shareholders not able to get to the fixed dividend from the companies. It is not fixed. The dividend received from the company is purely based upon the performance. Performance good, more profit, more dividend. If performance is bad, less profit and less dividend, right? So profit means how they can shares with the equity shareholders. A company is earning profit, whether they are sharing the full profit to the equity shareholders? No. So how they are sharing the profit is, they are not sharing the whole profit to the equity shareholders. A portion of profit is shared by the company to the equity shareholders. That portion of profit is known as the residual profit. Residual profit means after paying all expenses and liabilities on the company. So after paying all expenses and liability of the company, the remaining amount is known as residual profit. That residual profit is sharing among the equity shareholders as a dividend, right? So these are all the some major points towards the equity or ordinary shares. Equity shareholders are real owners. They are the portion of their ownership of the company. Equity shareholders having the voting rights. They have rights to get the profit. The profit is purely depends upon the performance of the company. The dividend is not fixed. So these are all the some features of equity or ordinary shares. And the second type of shares is known as the preference shares. So this preference shareholders are also owners of the company like equity shares. These preference shareholders are also owners of the company like equity shareholders. So in the name itself we have one thing, preference shares. In name itself we have preference. What is mean by preference? What is mean by preference?